Hi guys. This is puso. This is like suman, pero they call it puso. It's a rice, basically a rice. Hindi ko alam. Ganyan na lang. Daw. Alamansi guys. In here, they don't have big siomai, but the sauce looks like bagoong, and the taste is so spicy.
Do you have Coke Zero? No? Sprite.
Puso.
Sprite?
Please, yeah.
Wala Sprite. Okay, ganun. Gamay. Gamay. Gamay.
Yung rice nila dito 3 for 20. Pero isa lang busog na ako.
Ako half lang eh.
Grabe. May empacho na ako. So tama na. It's too spicy guys.